Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new awesome paper airplanes. This is a new design and it flies very well, so check it out. Check out this awesome paper airplane everyone. Let's hold the plane right here and throw it straight. Wow, cool, right? So let me pick it up and throw it again. Alright, so let me fix the head of the plane and throw it one more time. Watch right here and throw it straight. Wow, pretty cool. So we got to pick it up. Okay, so hold it up again. Just one more time. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is the new design and it flies very well. So to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, that is fine. Let's use A4 paper. Now let me flatten the paper down. On the following step, I'm going to fold the paper in half. And I place the paper this way and fold it in half again. Now unfold the paper. On the following step, I will start from the upper edge. I fold this side of the edge to the center crease first. And then I unfold the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I place this part of the paper back so that I can fold both sides of the paper evenly. So now I can see both sides are even. I flatten it down. Now a crease right here, just crease this down. Alright, now I can unfold the paper, open the paper, and place this down. Now I have the X crease, and I can use the upper part here at the intersection of the crease and the edge is one reference point. Same thing for the other side. Now I can fold this part of paper up to the crease. So let me place the paper and fold it up to the crease. I want to make sure that this is even for both sides, so I'll use the center crease as a reference, and both edges is a 3-point reference for me. I can press that the paper. So I'm done with this part. On the following step, I'm going to start from this edge of the paper, fold this to the crease that we just made. For straight here. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So start from this edge and fold to the crease we just made. And then I can fold this part of paper down. Now I just crease this down and place the paper this way. And now I can start from this part of paper. I just refold it so that I can create the crease again. At this point, I will be able to fix the crease if this is not good. So I fix this crease first, and then I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. I'll fold this paper here to fix the crease. Here we go. So now on the following step, I'm going to flip the paper over. I'll start from this upper part and fold straight out. Use this crease as a reference. So I need to fix this crease as well. So let me fix that crease. Alright, so let's look good. Now unfold the paper and I flip it over. I'll start from this part of the paper, fold both sides of this center crease to the center. and I can press this upper part now. I am creating a house shape right now. Alright, so it's look really good. On the following step, I'm going to fold this upper layer to the tip up. So let's start from this layer for straight to the tip up here. Press the paper and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, so it's look really good now. On the following step, I'm going to flip the paper over. I will fold this part of the paper down. I'll create a crease, and then I unfold the paper. So now we have a crease right here. Just leave it that way. All right. And on the following step, let's fold this crease back, right? I'll force up here so I can show you guys what we have. We have a crease right here, and we force back here. And on the following step, I'm going to fold this edge. You can see this upper edge here. Let me force back here so you can see the edge right here. This is basically the crease that we make. So we fold this edge of the crease to the center crease here. So press this hard and press the other paper, make a crease. Alright, so we create a crease. Let's open it. Repeat the same fold for this side. For that crease to the center crease, curve it. So you can hold the paper right here and curve and fold it. Alright. And now I can unfold the paper. It's look really good, right? Next step, I am going to fold this edge to the crease that I just made. Curve the paper and I fold to the crease that I just made. Alright. Adjust the paper while I'm folding it. Alright, so I force to the crease I just made and I force one more time. Here we go. So I've just finished this side of the wing. I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side, but before I'm doing that, I will hold the paper this way. But before I'm doing that, I will turn the paper this way and repeat the same fold. I'll start from this edge, I fold to the crease that we just made. Alright, so I press this down and I'll leave a small gap between the edge and the crease so that I can force one more time. So I roll it one more time to the center crease. So I just finished the other side of the wing and it's look really good. Okay, make sure that you leave a small gap between this part of the paper and this part of the paper so that you can fold the paper in half later on. Otherwise we run into a lot of issues. Alright, so this is what we have. On the following step, let's do it this way. We fold this part of the paper up. Okay, I'll fold this part of the paper up right here, straight up here, and I can fold this part of the paper to the center crease. See this triangle shape like here? I fold straight to the center crease. Okay, looks good. And I insert it into this pocket. You see the pocket right here? Just insert it in there. Repeat the same fold for this side. Okay. And I insert it in there. This pocket right here. Fold it. Perfect. I can press this a little bit more. Okay, so this is what we have, guys. The plans look really cool already. It's almost done. Okay, and now let's fold the paper in half like you always do with any paper airplanes, right? Fold it in half, press down the piece here, and now let's fold the wings. This is very tough to fold the wings. If you have a very thick paper, it may not work well. Okay, so don't use thick paper to fold this plane. If you're ready for at this point, let's try it out. If not, then you can choose a thinner paper to fold. So now let's start from this edge matches to the other edge. Fold straight out. If you can't reach to the edge, that's fine. We don't need to. Okay, once I finish this side, I am going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Alright, so I just finished the wings. I'm going to fix the head now. On the following step, this is tricky. Okay, so I'm going to fold this part of paper up right here. You can see this point. I'll fold straight. I'll fold this straight up like this. So I'm looking at the center crease here. The body of the blend is a reference. So let me fold it in half like this. And I fold this part. Make sure that it's parallel with this upper part here. And fold straight to this point. Okay, straight to here. Alright, so I finished this side. It's look like a tail of the fish now. It's very easy to fold. So once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me place the paper down. This is what you have. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Rest out the paper. Okay, so this is what we have. When you open the paper, the wings, you see the stabilizer look like this. Okay, that is not what we want. We need to fold this part of paper down to help balance the blend as well. So I will place the paper like this and fold this part of paper down. Make sure that this edge that you're going to create will be parallel with the center crease here. So let's do it for this side, and I'm going to repeat the same for this side too. Down a little bit. Let's fold both wings together so that you can fold the other sides evenly. First there, second press this down. Alright, so I have two sides of the wings. Let's go down like this. Okay, and I fix the wings now. To make sure that the plane will fly, we need to fix the wings, otherwise will not fly well. So the stabilizer will look like this. You can see it's a little bit up here and it's go down. Okay, and now let's push this up. Here we go. So we are done with the paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.